Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Belarus. Uh, this is a historical flag, and you can see that the outline border. I'm going to draw the rectangle first. For this purpose, let's draw a straight line on the top. Drawing another parallel line in the bottom. Connecting these 2 points in the left side and other 2 points on the right side. As you know, most of the countries have the flags which are the shape of the rectangle, so this is the usual shapes for the most of the countries' national flags. Three stripes it has in the flag. So the top portion is going to be white, the middle portion is going to be red, and the bottom portion is going to be white. So usually it's two portion white and middle portion is red. So let's put the red color in the middle. আসতেছি। So when you put the color, try to put as uniform as possible. First we are putting the usual shape with a bigger pencil, then we're going to put the border. All right, as uniform as possible. So the red color in the middle place, we're going to put the uniform shade, but because of the pencils, you know, this is not the actual, not the 100%, but this is the closest shape and the colors of the flag of the particular country. So this flag was the historical flags. Later they are going to change the new one. So in next drawing you're going to have the new flags. I hope you like the video. You can follow the steps and the procedures. All the instructions and the suggestions are given during the course of the drawings. You can also follow our playlist, and lots of drawings are out there. There are so many categories and so many drawings. You can select your own choices and start your learning process from there. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.